Lesson 11.4 is now finding range graphically. Range is the y values, and I can correlate those two because y has a tail like the letter G, so they just always stick together in my mind. Range is going to be looking at how your graph is, or where your points are at from bottom to top. You scan it horizontally like this because lines with y equals go through the y-axis. And again, you have to pick what type of answer you want to put in, and I've already chosen that. So this one is a linear function. It doesn't have any holes or asymptotes or anything, so it's just all real numbers. Remember, if you ever see a capital R with a line beside it, that's another way to show that answer. Number 2, I see a horizontal asymptote, and again, it's going to look like your line is on that asymptote, but it's not because this behavior is just flat for so long. That's how you know. And so my graph is all contained in y values that are greater than or above -6. So that's the interval that I would say is every y value is greater than -6, not even equal to. Number 3, make sure you're looking horizontally. So I see a point every y value to here and here, except for one problem is I see an asymptote right here where y is -2. So I would say all values such that y does not equal -2. And then number 4, I would want to do an interval. This is a quadratic, which is called a parabola shape. It's flipped upside down, so y values should all be less than a number, or equal to actually 5, because there is a point here at -4, 5. Alright, and then number 5 is the square root function. It's been reflected and flipped again actually, and so y values, careful on this one, so y values, everything is below a 2, and it would keep going. Right, this would just slowly decrease and decrease and decrease. So I would say y values are all less than or equal to 2.